Hello everybody and hello YouTube. Welcome to a vlog of the reptile and fish and bird exhibit. It was in Pomona, LA Fairgrounds. If you ever want to go, there's a bunch of events that happen probably who knows how many times a week or so. But I enjoyed every moment I was there. There was a lot of animals that I never thought I would see or experience before. And I'm so happy I was able to experience it, and I was happy to enjoy the journey. I can't believe how much and how packed it got after the reptile exhibit happened. When the reptile exhibit happened, it was very hard to film. This is for my live stream on TikTok. I stream a lot, so if you want to go check it out, I would be very much appreciate it. As much as well as subscribe and give the video a like. I hope you enjoyed the journey and see a lot of different animals that you probably haven't seen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun, and I enjoy my journeys. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoy all the animals and all the exhibits that we see in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see ya next time.
I came by myself.
Huh. Alright, oh god.
That's strong.
That is oh my nose.
The urine is
urine.
Pneumonia. It went through my eye.
Oh god, that was.
Because they've been there for a couple of days fuming.
There's lots of. Are they? I see they're shivering. Are they cold and stuff? These ones are chilling. Look at these ones. These are just chilling. That's cool. Okay, don't focus on one too much. I'm gonna go down this way?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of birds are these? I don't think I've seen them.
Beautiful.
Finches, they're a type of finch.
They're a type of fish. Okay. Are these what are these? They look like pigeons. Millbites, handle it. Ah. It's just more colors. They look more desaturated in real life. That's weird. I never thought colors would look. Usually on camera, their colors are a little bit more brighter, but I can see that on camera here. Usually on camera here, they're a little bit more brighter. Because you can see that it's a little bit more desaturated.
Check it out. Let's go to the next video.
Babies, what?
What?
right. When I go out,
These are the people that vote for the tail on the dog.
okay, you can't talk about. I've never seen this fish. What is this fish? Are these catfish?
Yeah, $11. Lungfish. $11?
No, not $11.
It says right here, $11.
1100.
11.
This is my kind of stuff. So,
You can get a whole bunch. $30 for. Oh, you can see it falls into a hole.
Look at the jellyfish. Look at these corals.
Oh, those are corals?
These are live corals. They're alive. Live corals.
Oh, they're little
They're so cool.
oh, crabs. Oh, crabs. What are those? Oh, crabs.
Oh, entree.
Those are $125 each right here. For those little ones.
Would these grow in the tank?
Yes.
They grow?
Yes, it's like a plant. It's coral. Grow.
So this is how, is this how,
Beautiful, the coral.
so is that how they make the reefs inside
Yes.
the ocean?
When you were little, Papa had those in his tank. And they grow, they get bigger, they eat. Look at these. These they get like this big. They get that big, that's big. You buy them that little. These are $60.
So
I like to have
is this how they grow the reefs back if they're like a bunch of dead reefs?
Yeah, you have to put special food in it. This is the kind of stuff I like. See, Papa used to get it all the time.
Some of these corals like clean the tank for you or something? Because I know that you can use some of these to clean.
Yeah, we got a crab and the crab's
What are these? What are these things?
You got a headache.
Look at their faces.
They look.
It's like bubble heads. It looks like an alien fish.
They look like alien heads and stuff. That's.
Black and white one.
I wonder how they transport. So this is all the koi stuff.
I'm pouring out.
Red Senders.
But yeah,
America.
these are, I'd say, one of my most
American
popular
flag.
at my shop. So,
I like the cool little fog.
This shrimp.
You can really see. Oh, I think those are tadpoles. Hey, you can grow your own shrimp.
Little tiny one.
You can grow your own little shrimp if you wanted to.
I don't think they get really big. Good. How are you? How big do those
My
little?
fish will eat it.
How big do those shrimp get? Are those babies or is that the size of them?
That's for a little cat.
I'm about to ask my boss about that.
That's for a little. That's beautiful. That's like daddy's when they were little. Mine was huge. Remember?
Yeah, I like the white sand.
I have the white gun. I just sit here all day waiting for somebody to buy something.
That's just how business is.
it's massive. I just hit it with a ray gun and it shrunk down a little.
That is
Pretty cool. It's like a little like.
wow.
Do you guys keep aquariums?
We used to have big
Used to.
aquarium. Yeah.
So you're
we
ready
had
to get back
250.
into it?
No, I got a fresh water still.
Okay.
Water, the salt water was too.
We're just playing around when we get our house on the road with 300. So,
Thanks. I have a 350.
Salt water.
yeah.
Yeah, saltwater is awesome because it's.
Yeah.
But I like
There's
these
so
little
much to do
ones.
with
We're on the move now, so it's too hard. My
Yeah.
daughter took care of him, and I lived in Palm Springs. The electricity went out. $10,000 worth of fish, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's.
we had a baby leopard shark that
I
was
wasn't
bottom
on
sad,
when
was
it
on
was big.
vacation.
Of course, it always happens when you're on
Dude.
vacation, right? It never happens when you're there and doing nothing.
And you know, Palm Springs is 100.
Hot, yeah.
And it was hot. She was bitty.
Oh, these turtles eat cabbage.
Yeah. So cool.
Wow.
I put
Look
one
at
on
their
there for
tail.
Amber and Chris's cloning
Pretty cool.
conservation thing too. Right.
Yeah, that's like a skinny. They were always the same one as they.
Lenny, did you see these?
It's a bunch of
Those are big iguanas. They're kind of mean. Those guys are kind of mean. They're mean.
more of it. Their mama is.
Oh, there's. Look at all the snakes we have over here. Hold on. There's a lot of snakes over here.
Yeah.
Blackhead python. Oh, this guy's venomous. Isn't this guy venomous?
No, it doesn't say. Not all. Reptiles aren't really that. Can you zoom it in?
Yeah, you can zoom in and you just tap it.
Oh. So
And
then you tap
you
it
just
again?
tap it again. Or you can hit this little button right here. Pet only. Nope. May bite. Handle at your own risk. Okay.
I'm sorry, bro.
All good. All good.
I feel like you would like it.
These are all they're all cool looking. That one's pretty.
Oh, do you have like a Sharpie?
No,
Look at these. I like this. This one's so pretty. The white with the mixture.
I gotta get my feet on. Pretty cool looking.
These are all cool looking.
All the opposite.
Yeah. It's keeping warm right now.
Yeah.
It's too cold. That guy has like a snake around his neck, man. That's crazy. That's Jesus. Over there. I mean, there's a super pretty python over there. It's 1,000 bucks, but it's a pretty python.
Where is it? The white one?
Over, yeah, over on there. That one. It's pretty.
Sorry.
No, you're good, man. You never here first. Oh, yeah, we'll look
Oh.
for more.
Hey, it's saying I'm like I'm a robot. I'm not a robot.
There it goes.
You doing it now?
Yeah. Whoa. That one.
If you guys have any questions, let me know.
Oh, no, we don't have an online shop. It's just one person.
Thank you. And thank you for letting me play with it.
Tortoises. No, I couldn't.
It's like hybrid.
Yeah, I don't know.
The bacon is bigger than it.
This one. This looks like something from a cartoon. Someone have horns on his head? Fire hog.
He's trying to swim somewhere.
Pretty cool looking.
Hard to feed?
Cute little baby turtle. It is hard to take care of, right?
It's harder? No?
I think these are babies of these ones. I think they just transport them. I don't think they live in there.
Yeah, oh, good.
Well, we gotta have enough wings now.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Looking at all the pretty snakes.
Thank you.
So it looks like the ones they don't want you touching, they won't tell you. Look, see, not touch. Do you guys have cars? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Pretty cool. What are those things called?
African giant millipedes.
Oh, African giant millipedes. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
They're very gentle.
Yeah, look at all the legs. It's pretty incredible.
Yeah, I think it's really cool how like
Other creatures.
Oh,
It
cool.
sucks that I lost my snake back then. I can't believe I saw it so
Yeah, you gotta be careful with them. Look at this one. It's half one color.
yeah.
One
It's a
has
mix
spots.
of the breed.
Oh, of course. You guys enjoy the show. I hope to see you back.
Pretty.
He doesn't want to get
Banana.
out. Or he doesn't want,
Oh,
want me
wow.
to put him back in.
Oh, this is ready to fall over.
Yeah, it's just because it's sitting
Oh,
on
they're
the
connected
heat.
together?
No, it's sitting on heat. Like there's a little heat,
Oh.
the heat line there. So it's volatile, but
Is that one? Yeah, that's
What?
dangerous.
well, it's not
Good
gonna fall
nigga.
unless somebody pulls it down. But yeah, it could be. Well, just because like that's the heat. There's heat line for all of these.
Yeah, I
just
got
being
it.
careful
I
with
got it.
Yeah.
Does that one stick?
Blackhead. They're both dark jeans. The that dual dark jean. That one's yeah. Move that over there. The dual dark jean, and I'll let you hold it if you guys are interested. But the fact that it's got the dual dark gene of leopard and blackhead make it
Okay.
stay nice as an adult. Stay very nice like this, except that it does have so that see all that
On the bottom?
that yellow flaming, the
Yeah.
orange where it turns from yellow to orange.
Yeah.
Like that will fade a little bit. It won't be quite as like I guess like crisp and clean. It'll be a little lighter. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It won't be quite as. But other than that, like it's gonna
You
just
want
be
to hold them?
amazing. The top of it, yeah, I'll have you just sanitize if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to have some people sanitize.
I agree. I saw people doing
Right, you
that.
gotta
I
do it
think-
twice?
No, just yeah, just let me go. The reason, yeah, because we don't know who here, anybody.
I
if one of
agree,
them has
I agree.
something
Touching another animal.
sick, and then yeah.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Nice.
Just hiding now. They get used to you, and then they start coming out and wandering around and everything. You know, I don't know if you've had ball pythons.
I had a snake before, but I forgot to lock the cage once.
Oh no.
And then it escaped. I felt so bad because I was like, oh, I lost the snake.
Yeah, you definitely
I've always
wouldn't
been
want
a
it
big snake lover, but I was like, after that,
coming out, and wandering around and everything. You know, I don't know if you've had ball python.
I had a snake before, but I forgot to lock the cage once.
Oh no.
And then it escaped. I felt so bad because I was like, oh, I lost the snake.
Yeah, you definitely.
I always been a
wouldn't
big snake lover, but I was like, after that, I was like, do I want to get another snake? Because I'm probably going to lose it if I forget to close the
It was
lid.
about
This
that
is a very
size,
unique-
too.
Yeah, it was about this size, and I was feeding it like little cold. Was I feeding it cold mice, or was it little mice? Or
Yeah, we're feeding.
it wasn't live game. It wasn't live game.
Yeah, they're called frozen thawed.
It captured most of the stuff.
Yeah, it's recording.
My fish will eat.
They need shallow, don't they? Wow, those are expensive turtles. Let me get these guys because I don't think they've recorded them. Albino. Did you get a picture of him, Daddy? Did you get a picture of him with your phone? Look at how he's still. Look at all the little ones in the back over there, checking him out. Oh, wow. Thought he was selling something. Oh, look how they did that. That's pretty cool. The skeletons. Bats. Wow, those are cool. The bats.
When I was a kid.
Daddy had a pet bat.
I mean, that's a real one.
hard to see because
This one's the easiest to see. I don't even know.
they're hard to see because of the dirt.
Well, the dirt and their webs.
Pigs.
Guinea pig. Friends, not food. You're an interesting little fellow.
Look how pretty this one is.
Yeah, he's very active. Wow, he's very colorful.
This one is very colorful.
Looks like a little pink pig.
See, that's more of his everyday colors. But that's why I like ring. Yeah, it is a little bit of a purplish scrape there. But I like to sneak in when they're sleeping just for that reason, so I can see the different colors. I call it their pajamas. Look at them in their
See these bugs. Look at those things.
Some of those ones know
Look at
Some of them
it.
know.
Look at that one.
I know what those are.
Look at these things.
Hold on, yeah. Phone number here for sale. And it's, can I say 45? Oh, thanks. Let me know if you need help with that.
Yeah, it looks actually like Prometheus, which is excellent.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, those can be some beastly plants.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And that board is just pancake.
I'm good on that.
These things probably
Even
have.
when you draw soft blue.
It's only $35. $3,500. I know. Ah, I like the alien. Look at the alien, Daddy.
They put it on the wall?
Oh, and look at it. It's holding a fishing pole.
Yeah, I do it for 45 now.
I'll take the green one.
What, a green one?
Yeah.
Look at the octopus.
Put it in Nico's room.
It's just paper. I have lots of albums.
Yeah, he's got them right here.
Is that all? Cool.
Little babies.
I mean, at least this area, at least there's like a bunch of stuff to look at. There's like a range.
Oh, yeah. And actually, it's a lot of
It's so cool.
Yeah, there's little crab. Giant blue land crab. These are land crabs.
We start breeding these and we can have our own.
Yeah, you need to. It's not a system.
Shrimp,
Yeah.
terracotta.
And it tells you their science name and then their real name.
Yeah, that's cool.
When I go down to the
$10 on there.